His feet. His back feet.
Hey, Mickey. So you can get you chasing.
Mickey. Mickey.
Go, Mickey.
Come on, Mickey. Come on, get me. Mickey, come on. Mickey.
He's like, my legs.
Mickey.
Walk. See if we'll go that way.
Mickey.
So you want to buy sauce?
You want to go? Mickey.
Look at that can of sauce.
Ooh, snacks.
What?
Get that bag.
Bring the candy over
Bag of
here.
chips.
Oh, yeah. We'll put it right in front of him.
Get some out.
Here.
Oh, what you do is
Walk that way with me.
Mickey.
Uh,
Yeah, you threw them about there.
He sticks his leg out like, get this off of me.
Do it again. He's still trying to. He still thinks he has a one.
His legs go really high.
Poor
Don't you remember his
dog.
legs do that for a while?
I know, he kicks it up to kick them off.
After he's... Mickey.
Toss it that way.
No, it's
Mickey.
not there.
Toss it. Toss it up. Well,
Mickey. Why don't we tape it to them?
no, it's funny. Where's the chip? Dang, you're right in front of my camera. Where'd you put the chips?
I threw it on. Mickey. Mickey.
Perry. There he goes. He lifts his leg up to get him off. That's
Why don't we
funny.
tape this to his leg?